Hi, I am Dr. Pooja Pandey Tripathi from Arogya Physiotherapy, and I thought of demonstrating some hip opener exercises. Now, why hip opener exercises? Because all of us are sitting in the office or office as in work from home, and children are studying and they are all sitting in chair and sofa, so we're not sitting down as such, so our hip and back muscles, they are all becoming tight. So here are few asanas which will help you stretch your hip muscles, which will help you stretch your back muscles. So let's start. So let's get into Baddha Konasana, also known as butterfly pose. Bring both your ankle together, heel together, foot together, and try to bring it as close to your body as possible. And you can do few flaps up and down like a butterfly. Remember, you should always have a smile on your face. That's most important. Breathe in, go up, breathe out, come down, and try to go as forward as possible. You can keep your hands down and try to bring your head as down as possible. If you are not able to do this, then what you can do is you can bring your elbow down, and if you are not able to do this as well, you can actually keep your hands here and try to bring it as down as possible. This will make sure that it opens all the adductor muscles, and when you go forward, there is a big stretch on your back muscles also. If you want to stretch your sides, you can actually put one of your hands down and stretch it all the way up. Remember, your chest need to be open. You should not come forward. Chest need to be open, and this should not come up. So try pulling this down, and similarly, let's go on the other side. And once you are done with this, say each position you can actually take 8 to 10 breaths. Okay? And once you are done, breathe in, breathe out, and come to Naukasana. Now, Naukasana is not a hip opener pose or something, but we will turn into a hip opener pose. So what we will do is just be in this pose for 10 seconds. Make sure your back is not doing this. Back is straight. You are breathing in and out, and you can keep the ankle tucked in for some time, and then out also for some time. And once you're done with it, you bend your knee, try to hold on to your toes and stretch it completely. Now this is going to stretch your hip as much as possible. Again, 10 breaths in and out. It will also stretch your hamstring and back muscles. And just be in this pose. It's one of the variation of Naukasana. And then you can come back to Halasana. So you bring this down and go all the way to Halasana and be there for again 10 breaths. Okay? So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And once you are done here, you can slowly come down and come to Anand Balasana, okay? The happy child pose. This will make sure you have to put the pressure down, and the knees should be facing down, and your hip should be completely open. It will also open your groin area. And 10 or 20 breaths here, and you can relax. So these are few hip opener exercises. You can even, try to do these and try to sit down. So it's very important that you try to open your hip and back muscles. Stay fit, stay healthy, and witness your fitness with us. Namaskar. Have a beautiful week.